Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake no oven only way. Start by pressing a crumb crust into a 9-inch springform pan and chill it briefly. Beat cream cheese until creamy, then add sugar and softened butter until smooth, and bloom gelatin in cold water before melting gently. Fold in whipped cream until silky, pour over the crust, and tap to remove bubbles before chilling thoroughly for a firm finish. For a reliably silky no-bake cheesecake, whip the filling in stages and keep temperatures consistent. Start by creaming the cheese and sugar until no lumps remain, then add melted gelatin slowly while whisking. Gently fold in whipped cream with a spatula using broad, patient strokes to keep air in the mixture. Pour into the chilled crust, smooth the top, then refrigerate undisturbed so the structure sets firm and slice cleanly. Experiment with flavors that complement the creamy base without thinning it. Fold in citrus zest, cocoa, or a swirl of fruit puree for varied notes and distinct layers. Use toppings like fresh berries or a glossy ganache to add texture and visual appeal, and let the cake rest at serving temperature for a few minutes for perfect slicing. Keep portions modest since the dessert is rich and satisfying in small servings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.